Welcome back, users. In today's video, we are going to check out the Bluetooth tips. So the Bluetooth tips are given in the tips section of the welcome app. So you have to click on this and it will open up the Bluetooth tips in the discovery. So here you can see how to enable and set up Bluetooth devices, the different commands that are used for setting up your Bluetooth, the blue man or the Bluetooth manager, how to set up it. Everything is given, so all basic requirements of the new user can be fulfilled, and later on you can search for more advanced configuration and other things for the Bluetooth, and you can also contact people in the community, users in the community who can help you with the advanced settings for your Bluetooth. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.